Hey there, food lovers. We've created the spookiest Halloween cookies ever. Get ready to plunge into a whimsical realm filled with sweet specters, delightful treats that will make you smile, and mischievous spiders lurking around every corner. Put on your aprons, preheat your ovens, and get ready to kick off this spooky party. Calling all spirits and specters, it's time to rally your ghostly friends for a spooktacular gathering. Here's the thrilling list of ingredients for our hauntingly fun adventure. Don't worry, no need for Eye of Newt here. Let's dive into the fundamentals of baking. Flour, sugar, and butter are the timeless trio that sets the stage for countless delicious creations. These classic ingredients are the heart and soul of every delightful treat. We'll turn these simple ingredients into unforgettable Halloween delights. Let's get our ghoul gang ready to roll. Let's whip up a delightful batch together. Our beloved Trusty cookie dough recipe. Get ready for some fun in the kitchen. Our Trusty cookie dough recipe is the base for all our spooky creations. It's super simple to whip up. Every haunted house needs a solid foundation. Start by whipping the rich, creamy butter and sweet sugar until they form a luscious blend. Whisk in a delightful egg and a splash of fragrant vanilla for that perfect touch. Now, let's combine those dry ingredients until they're perfectly blended. It's super easy and a crucial step in our delicious adventure. Once that's done, we're all set to unleash our creativity and whip up some fantastic cookie creature combinations. Who's excited to dive into some spine-tingling treats? Let's get those ghostly goodies ready for a hauntingly good time. These delightful sugar cookie spirits are light, irresistibly crispy, and charming. Quickly roll out your chilled cookie dough for perfectly even treats. Pick up your adorable ghost-shaped cookie cutter now. Feel free to be creative and draw it by hand. Bake the mixture until it is lightly golden in color. Get excited to transform these spooky little friends with a burst of delicious icing and a sprinkle of fun. Let your creativity shine as you bring them to life with your sweetest designs. Let's get creative with these double chocolate critters. These delightful treats are perfect for any Halloween celebration or a fun baking day with family and friends. These easy-to-make bites are flavorful and perfect for bakers of any skill level. Elevate your classic cookie dough with a thrilling twist. Mix in a generous scoop of unsweetened cocoa powder to transform your cookies into decadent, chocolatey delights, perfect for Halloween festivities. Let the deliciousness begin. Add unsweetened cocoa powder to the dough for a rich, chocolatey flavor. Mix it well until the cocoa powder is fully incorporated. You'll notice the dough turning a deep, dark brown, which is exactly what we want for our batty bites. To create these adorable bat-shaped cookies, start using a bat-shaped cookie cutter. Roll out your chocolate cookie dough on a floured surface until it is about 1/4 inch thick. Next, press the cookie cutter into the dough to cut out bat shapes. Place the cutout cookies onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Don't forget to add some candy eyes for an extra spooky touch. Once your cookies are baked and cooled, it's time to decorate. Add candy eyes to each bat cookie with a small dab of icing. This simple addition gives your treats a fun and festive Halloween look. Enjoy your double chocolate critters with a glass of milk, or share them with friends and family for a delightful holiday treat. Get ready for some 8-legged treats, spooky spider cookies. These delightful and eerie cookies are perfect for any Halloween celebration. They're not only fun to make, but also a treat to eat. Let's dive into the process of creating these 8-legged wonders. Wow. These adorable, spooky spiders will bring a grin to everyone's face. Picture the excitement as your little ones proudly present their creepy creations. These delightful cookies are loved by both kids and adults, making them an irresistible treat for your Halloween celebrations. To make these creepy crawlers, shape small balls of cookie dough. The dough can be any flavor you like, but chocolate chip or sugar cookie dough works best. Please ensure the dough is chilled before you start shaping it, as this makes it easier to handle. Press down in the center of each dough ball to create a slight indentation. This will help the cookies bake evenly and maintain an excellent round shape. Place the dough balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. bake until they turn golden brown. Baking times may vary depending on your oven, so monitor them closely to avoid overbaking. Once the chocolate has cooled, use it to attach the pretzel sticks as legs. The melted chocolate is a delicious glue that securely fastens the pretzel legs. Depending on your preference, you can choose dark, milk, or white chocolate. Feel free to get creative with the leg placement to give each spider a unique look. Add candy eyes for an extra spooky touch. These candy eyes bring the spiders to life, adding a playful and slightly eerie element to your cookies. You can find candy eyes at most baking supply stores, or you can create your own using icing. These spooky spider cookies are sure to be a hit at your Halloween party and make for an excellent activity for kids to participate in. Enjoy your 8-legged treats. Get ready for a burst of autumn joy as we celebrate those cheerful jack-o'-lantern smiles. It's time to indulge in pumpkin spice delights, delicious cookies that feast for both the senses and the soul. These treats are more than just a tasty bite. They're a warm embrace of fall in every crumb. Buds, but also a feast for the eyes. Imagine a tray full of smiling jack-o'-lantern faces, each one inviting you to take a bite. Perfect for Halloween parties or cozy nights in. Nothing embodies Halloween quite like a grinning jack-o'-lantern. These iconic symbols of the season add a touch of magic and mystery to any setting. Whether carved from pumpkins or made into cookies, their smiling faces illuminate the room and create the perfect spooky atmosphere. These pumpkin spice delights are filled with warm, cozy flavors. Imagine the aroma of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves filling your kitchen, creating a welcoming and festive atmosphere. These cookies are more than just a treat. They offer an experience that captures the essence of fall in every bite. Incorporate some pumpkin puree and your favorite pumpkin spice blend to enhance our basic cookie dough recipe. This combination creates a rich, moist dough that bakes into soft, flavorful cookies. It's a straightforward yet delightful transformation that embodies the season's spirit. Use a pumpkin-shaped cookie cutter to cut out your cookies, then bake them until they are set. The fun part is shaping the dough into little pumpkins. Each one will be unique and full of character. As they bake, your kitchen will fill with the delightful scent of pumpkin spice, making it hard to wait for them to be ready. Use icing to create spooky or silly jack-o'-lantern faces. This is an excellent opportunity to let your creativity shine. Whether you prefer a creepy look, a childish expression, or something in between, decorating these cookies is fun for people of all ages. Gather your family or friends and enjoy the process of bringing these delightful characters to life. Each cookie becomes a miniature work of art, perfect for sharing or gifting. Get ready for an epic monster mashup. It's time to deck out your spooky crew in style. Unleash your creativity and turn your cookies into an irresistibly cute monster squad. Grab your vibrant icing and let your imagination soar as you decorate these delightful treats with playful colors and quirky designs. Get ready for some fun and frosty artistry. Colorful sprinkles, vibrant edible markers, and delightful candy eyes. Dive deep into your imagination and let your creativity soar. Embrace the thrill of crafting your most haunting visions into reality. It's the perfect moment to bring your eerie ideas to life and unleash the magic of the uncanny. Embrace the chaos and savor every moment of the journey. Dive into the thrilling allure of spooky sweetness and let the chills send shivers of delight down your spine. Get ready to delight everyone with your deliciously spooky cookies. Capture the magic of your creations and show them off. Snap some incredible photos and share your masterpieces with me on social media. We can't wait to see what you've made. You can even share your creations with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for joining us on this spooky baking adventure. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. You can even ring that notification bell for more creepy and spooky updates. We hope you had a blast creating these hauntingly delicious cookies. Remember, baking is all about having fun and letting your creativity shine. Keep experimenting, creating, and most importantly, enjoying Halloween's sweet side. Until our next frightening time, happy baking.